Kble Pi Baro Shagatup Khuborjylla ka Donbosco Media Network. Kimat Bagong San Minta ka Singi Gilong. Shiminta Shongshit Arpautli ki School ka Shillong haka one-day St. Anthony's School Sports Meet. Daka program Ice Nams Bun Pelong ka Office DEO Hamairang. But Daka football ring nuksa ka Office DSO but ka election MP Lok Sabha. But mentangin pash ki Khubor bakambnya. Ka St. Anthony's High Secondary School Shillong haga khat Arthur Iaiong kalapulong ya ka one-day inter-school sports meet ka bakandai pulai ha Donbosco mini stadium lain kra. Ha ka balawan ban shiminta arpautli ki school na nong ba Shillong. Lakawe ikalama play do kongsan Dr. D. Vijay Kumar IAS Commissioner and Secretary Chief Minister Office. Lapadyang Ngobha Batsinran do Reverend Father John Zozamia Vice Provincial, Reverend Father Anthony Kharkongor Principal, but Reverend Father Raphael Tham Principal ka St. Anthony's LP School. Ka Gallery Saudong Jong Mini Stadium kaladap de ki ba ki kimi ki pa but ki khna school ki balawan Batsinran but Krishan ya laki jong ki school. Haka jingkrenu Dr. D. Vijay Kumar ula ay ka jingero ka school badiyo principal ubala pelong ni ka inter-school sports meet ban playla playlinti ki kena ki badon sap haki sports. Ula kentu ki kena school ban shiminta shitraham haka nuka jingile akai sports da ka babu ka thong holiday ban job bat ban pinjana ka taka thong naka benta ka jingem. Hakapor no paisngi habala deplut baro ki jingile akai bat ladap sam ya baro ki busket shaki kin hon bat ki school ki balawan shiminta hakini ka one day inter school sports meet Uswapnil Timbe IAS Director of School Education and Literacy kumukongsan ulapin hiar kendaw ya kalama jang school kum kadak balapin wa ya kini kalampong ya ki jing ya kop lapharia haki arkin hon shinrang bat kin thei kum juru ki medal lasam shabaro ki nong job shwaban penwa ya kalampong.
Importantly, our young friends who are here. Very good morning to everyone. At the very outset, I would like to express my immense pleasure in taking part in today's annual sports meet and inter-school invitation events. And I would like to, as I enter, I could see a lot of vibrancy in this entire event, which gives us a lot of energy and excitement. For this, I would like to thank for the principal for accepting me as a chief guest of this program, and for this, for all of you, for your warm and generous welcome. And for this, I am truly warm. As this is my first visit to the school, I am very happy that I came here, and I wish that our association would continue in the coming days as well. There is a lot of effort and energy has been put into this event, and this is visible in each and every step of this event. And as I also understand that you have a long and hectic day ahead, I won't take much time, but I would like to wish all of you very best, particularly all the participating students in this event. Your participation itself is a remarkable achievement. As you come together, as this platform will give you an opportunity to exchange and share ideas, it also helps all of us. It reminds me of our school days, which helps us to shy away from our inhibition.
You wanna be alive. past pupils. Past people, the goal goes to Albert Renja.
Office District Election Mairang East and West Khasi Hills, Kalapulong da program Ais Nams Bun haka khat arthrik hamairang ban penkan mawi ki pa hakini kapor election ba amdeiru ban klat ikibriu ki bapang bashitam haki hospital babon jong Jylla kam tam nilei ki tukinong pang ki bedon kam kerke ban taps nam hakemet ni ki accident babon jat baki kendo haka let kawan ni haki jing trejing kta. Yagini ka program jong ka Office District Election la aik tilang da ka Tirot Singh Memorial Civil Hospital Mairang ringkat ba ka Regional Bank Pasteur Institute Shillong hakini kasngi. Yagini ka program la pelong kum shibenta ban hikai pai pa halor kapang Systematic Voters Education and Electoral Participation SVEEP hakini ka election MP Lok Sabha banlong hagakat kandai trik Iaiong arajar akusa. Deputy Commissioner Bagidin Kharmau Plang Rais Nok Ti Lang Kumukongsan Barulapin Pau Kajing Sngongo Yabaro Kibalawan Shimenta Kini ka program. Kiway pat ki officer rang ba kibaladan lang agni ka program kilong Dr. Timothy Lingdo Medical Superintendent Civil Hospital Mairang ba W Masar BDO Mount Harashan Block kiway pat ki doctor ki nurse ba ki rang ba bat long kami nanong ba Mairang. Uba Gideon Kharmau Plang habakren gani ka program uloong bakajing penlong yakani ka lumpung Ais Nams Bun lani ka blood donation camp kalong ban pinsngau thu shiki pai ba ya ka jing koridor jong ka snam ha ka jing im jong ki briu kam tam lele ye ki briu ki bapang bashtam ulapin ye srim ye ka jing koridor jong ka lingkor nong mi khmat ha ka sinshar khada pai ba kapin isha ye ka kamram jong kinong tap vote ban shimkhia bat ban da bishar sani bahajai shwaban penno ye la ka vote ha ka khat khandai trik Iaiong kani ka jing penlet jing mot ki pai ba kan wan ra economic khmat ki babha na ka benta kari India barok kawai
Sesisian makin bom ya jika tim hospital yang terpenting maka Croatia must congratulate the opportunity management in the hospital every day this hospital keeps on changing for the better. Congratulations Dr. Salam. You have been done what we have said. The really from women who fight the
Office of Deputy Commissioner East and West Khasi Hills District ringkat kejingit Reilang Office District Sports DSO bat kekinshi Pelun Sports Association haka khat artrik Iaiong kalapelong arkenhun kejingile akai football kentai bat chinrang haka kenhun kentai lele akai ke Young Sports Club persya ke Panong Light Sports Club hamadan kenshi Pelun kejingile akai kelong ke Beitiang namar baro arliang kilasei di Samla ke Bayabiang Khubor med Khuborjylla akai bat kibabiang Khubor ban yakun haduk pekut. Kisamla kentai bat chinrang kibapet yang ke football kila jaudot bat kila yapmat ya kejingi tenat kejingile akai na baro arliang. Ha kejingile akai hamadan ke Young Sports Club kala penbam ya ke kenhun Panong Light da Sauko la North. Ha kejingi kun jong kishinrang kala long hapeding ke United Socio Cultural Club persya ya ke Mau Panyan Sports Club. Kabalakut da ke tiebreaker ha kaba ke United Club kala penbam ya ke Mau Panyan dan Rio Lano. Kejingile akai kamlong ke beitanat kembali le akai di Samla kentai. Wat lada kejing tap kol kala no Shillong kejing mut bekongsan jong ni kejingile akai kalong banyi kemenlang endon ki bajop bat ki barang. Kumju ru ha kini ke election MP Lok Sabha Meghalaya NEHU NAKA kertong bajop bat barang. Henry kakam kanya syakmat, hadin kejingnya kun kebala pening o ia kepertai kamariak.
Kini atli Jylla kan tasni kawai gelong ka manju ki kitai ulamiat macam kawan soal sejauh di kita sedang kau pergi pulang kini kenapa kalian kau pergi jangan di Euro kau berpulang kini program pulang ba dikira dia ke awareness ang kajian kam bagi jami penjalan lengkap penjalan ketinggi clear Amta menghadiri ke election Lokasabha Pesawat. Kini kaji pulang ini gigi taski lepas taski program. Abu election commission jangkari India nak tahu jo CEO nanti lepas Shillong. Betul-betul ni aku amal lagi set di program apa. Ini tu nak kalian ke office general CEO ni pemerintah. Menang dalam program diisikan tentang informasi football. Ada mengiru ada serta awal competition nanti apa Iaiong atau Iaiong. Kita ski program ini dia bermandu yang nak tepat. Nanti yang kita Samla Indopikai kita bagi berikan hai. Belajar ni roboting guys. Belajar ni efek. Belajar ni ini dia identikat tiba ila pendek tersebut. Hai ini kerja asli di Khubor, nama kajing dengkam, kajong kajing Khubor, kadai bernisi muntah, kadai berjikit ni untuk kerja yang senang, kapag-legit dinamikmat kantan dinamikmat iba kung mikiran tanyong wat yobot at kung kamasok hajuti yobot
Bat dak itu Khubor ngila poi shi kabakut dat haduk ming de syambyang kublai shibot.